Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So once you're done with this video, please take a look around. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you'd subscribe so you can get new information as it comes out. And I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. So if you can help me reach that, that'd be great. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So what are we going to talk about in this video? We're going to talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing if you're a beginner. And one of the things I think that's really important to try and do right from the beginning when you get into affiliate marketing is try to promote programs that have a recurring commission payment. And what that means is that you're paid on a recurring basis. So you're paid usually once a month, sometimes more frequently, but once a month is pretty regular. And the nice thing about that is because you're going to do the same amount of work whether you make one sale for a one-time commission, or if you make one sale for a recurring commission. And so what would you rather have, a one-time commission or a recurring commission? Well, if it's going to take the same amount of work, then obviously it would be better to get that recurring commission. Okay, and we can see that down here. I show a little example. Option A, you make effort, you get one buyer, and what they purchase costs $10 per month. Okay, and so you keep working to get those more buyers. So now you have 10 buyers. They're all paying $10 a month. And so now you're getting commissions of $100 per month, recurring, over and over every single month. And so that's what we'd really like to have happen, and versus the one time, right? So maybe you get those same 10 buyers, like up here in option A, but these 10 buyers, they're giving you a $10 commission as well, but it's only a one-time commission, okay? And so you're going to make $100 one time. So obviously, we're not going to turn down money. A $100 one-time commission is nice, but it'd be really nice to have this recurring, where it's coming in every single month. So let's go back up. What type of recurring programs? Well, these are typically things that people need anyway if they're working online. So if they're trying to build an online business, then they need things such as, for a website, they might need a domain name, they may need hosting. There's some different SaaS, which stands for software as a service type of software that we'll look at that they may use. They're probably going to need an email autoresponder. Email marketing is super important. Some kind of funnel builder, things like that, okay? So these are things that people pay for, right? Domains you pay for once a year. Now, the cost is not a lot, and so therefore the commission is not a lot, but it's something to consider. Lots of different types of SaaS software, and these usually have monthly payments. I'm going to show you an example that I use in my business. I'm going to show you an email autoresponder as well, etc. And then how do you find these programs? We'll talk a little bit about that, and then make sure you watch because I'm going to show you some proof of how I use these recurring commission payments in my online business. So first, where do you find these recurring programs? Well, a lot of this you're just going to find because it's things that you use, right? If you are creating websites, then you need domain names. There may be some different SaaS software that you use and that they have an affiliate program for. And so for a lot of these things, let me just jump over and show you a quick example. I use something called Article Forge. It creates AI, artificial intelligence, text content. It does a great job. I have lots of videos on my channel that show how it works. But most of these programs, if you scroll all the way to the bottom of their page, what you'll find is that they offer affiliate programs. And so you just click on that and you sign up for their affiliate program. Okay, so just click on Start Earning and click through. Now, sometimes it might be a little tougher to get approval. Sometimes some are easier to get approval, but you can do that. And so pretty much every single program or software will have some type of affiliate program associated with it. And so here I am logged into my Article Forge account in my affiliate area. And so just so you can see as an example that you can make decent money, right? So Article Forge, they pay 25% of the subscription, the ongoing subscription. And if we go back here and look at the pricing, they do have monthly plans that start at $27 a month, $57, or all the way up to $117 a month. then obviously you can save quite a bit if you buy a year in advance. That brings the price down by about 50%. $13 a month, $27 a month, or $57 a month, but you pay for the year in advance. Now, if we go back and look at my affiliate account here, what you'll see is that, here's the date, the number of clicks going through my affiliate link. This column is unpaid signups because they do offer a 5-day free trial. So these are people that will start out as an unpaid signup and then hopefully convert over to a paid signup. And then if it's a recurring commission. And so what you can see here is, like, as of today, right, I've got 4 clicks so far to my affiliate link and 1 unpaid sign up. They went ahead and did the trial. Same thing yesterday, 10 clicks, 1 did the trial. And if we go down here, what you'll see is 2 clicks, 1 did the trial, and actually then somebody else decided to pay. Now it has to clear, so that's why you're not seeing it over here yet. But if we jump back a few more days, here's a recurring payment. Okay, so $39 recurring payment. If we jump down, here's another recurring payment, $675, $675, $675. And so these are just coming in, every month, month after month. Here's a bigger one, $23.94. And I'm just looking back over about the past 60 days or so, $13.50, $675. $675 and $45.75, $18.97. Okay, so that's going about not quite 60 days. So probably about $150, $200 of commissions over the past 6 weeks or so. And so this is an example of a SaaS software as a service, that has a membership and a recurring payment that you can earn affiliate commissions. And so again, Article Forge pays 25%. Now, for my autoresponder, I use Aweber, and Aweber pays 40% commission on whatever the monthly payment is, as long as they stay paying. And so if we look back at my payments, you can see I usually get paid typically anywhere from $50 up to $100. This was a low month, it looks like 39. These are some months over 100, 90s, 80s. And so I'm getting paid typically from Aweber anywhere between $50 to $100 a month. Now, the nice thing is that covers, so this is the other thing to keep in mind, right? It's covering the cost. So it doesn't cost me anything right now to use Aweber because my affiliate commissions pay my cost to use Aweber. Same thing with Article Forge. The commissions I'm earning from Article Forge cover my cost. So essentially I'm using Article Forge and Aweber for free, right? Now, one other thing that people need many times for online business is some kind of page builder or funnel builder. And there's a new program that I just got started with that I'm really excited about. I think it has tons of potential because it's a great product, but it also has a really nice commission structure and recurring commission structure. And this is called the Home Business Academy. Now, the Home Business Academy has different products. I've done fuller reviews on my channel, so go find those videos where you can see a little bit more in depth. But essentially what they offer is their Home Funnel Builder Academy, which is funnel builder software and funnel training. And that costs $25 a month, and you get 80% commission, so $20 a month. They also have their premium membership, which is more of a training membership, and that covers traffic and conversions. It covers all kinds of great stuff, kind of getting, ready for traffic, things you need to make sure you have in place. And then they talk a lot about different types of free traffic, tons of information here. They talk about different types of paid traffic. They talk about conversions, because it's not just about getting traffic, but you got to convert that into a sale. And then they have lots and lots of coaching opportunities, live coaching opportunities, multiple times during the week. And then everything is archived, very active Facebook group. That's all in their premium traffic and conversions training. Now, this is a $125 a month membership, and so you get paid 80% commission or $100 per month. And so this is something I'm really excited about. Number one, it's just a great product. The funnel builder works really well. I show how to use it in other videos, so I'm not going to go too in depth. But this totally fits the model of what we're trying to look for, right? Recurring commissions that pay out well. Article Forge pays 25% commissions. Aweber pays 40% commissions. And Home Business Academy pays 80% commissions. So if we go back and just do some quick math, let's see. Home Business Academy pays 80% commissions. So again, the kind of two main products is their funnel software and their premium training membership. And so let's just use an example. Say on the Funnel Builder software, it's a $25 a month payment. You earn 80% commission, which is $20 per month, residual per user. And so if you were to help 100 people get started with this, then that would be a $2,000 per month residual every month, month after month, as long as those 100 people stay subscribed. And this is a low cost, $25 a month, so that's pretty doable. Now, the other thing that they have is their premium. Let me get this all back more on the screen here. And the premium does cost $125 per month. And again, you earn an 80% commission. So that's $100 per month per user, as long as they continue with their subscription. And so now you don't need nearly as many people with this. So of the 100 people that maybe you get started on the Funnel Builder, a certain percentage of them, probably at least 20 or 30% or more, will also become premium members. And so if you get 30 people at a premium member with $100 per month per user commission, that's $3,000 per month residual, plus what you're getting up here. Okay, and so you can see very quickly $2,000 a month from the Funnel Builder members commissions, and $3,000 per month from the HBA Premium Training member commissions, total of $5,000 a month. You can see very easily how this can snowball and be a really nice side income. So I hope you see the power of the Home Business Academy, and really just the power of getting recurring commissions and why that is so important if you want to be successful online. The one-time commissions are great. I make a lot of those as well, but you're just constantly chasing commissions. It's really nice to have this residual income set up where it just comes in month after month, and you get paid. And again, it pays for what you're using, right? Same thing if you look at the Home Business Academy, because you might be saying, oh, I'm paying $25 a month. Well, you get 2 people started, that's $40 a month. And now you got your costs covered. Same thing, even if you're on the premium, you're paying $125 a month, because you do need to be a user of these in order to be paid. But you're getting paid $100 per month. So you get 2 people started, that's $200, now you're in profit. So you only need 2 people per month in profit to be in profit with the Funnel Builder and the premium. So I hope you found this helpful. If you, again, I have other videos on my channel that kind of go more in depth. So if you want to see more in depth about the Home Business Academy, I'll leave my link down below. It's going to take you to this page. So when you click on my affiliate link in the description box below for the Home Builder Academy, it's going to take you to this page. You just opt in, put in your name, put in your email, say yes, give me access, and then it's going to take you to their main sales page right here. Definitely watch the video, go through, read the sales page. It gives you lots of great information. And then when you're ready to start, just click any of the buttons. It'll take you down to the checkout where you just put in your information. Go ahead and get your payment information in here. And then they do give you an opportunity to join the HBA Premium, the Traffic and Conversions, to join that free for 2 weeks. So if you just come down and check the little box, that gives you 2 weeks for free. And then you can try it out, take a look, go through the training. If you don't like it, cancel it. And if you want to continue, then you continue, okay? And so your total for checkout would be $25. So I hope you found that helpful. Thanks so much for watching. A thumbs up if you liked the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you're excited about the possibilities with the Home Business Academy. And get started. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.